Maurice Merleau-Ponty was a prominent French philosopher of the 20th century, renowned for his contributions to phenomenology and existentialism. His work significantly influenced contemporary thought in philosophy, psychology, and other fields. Born on March 14, 1908, and passing away on May 3, 1961. Merleau-Ponty is best known for his work on perception, embodiment, and the nature of human experience. He was heavily influenced by Edmond Husserl, Martin Heidegger, and often collaborated with Jean-Paul Sartre and Simone de Beauvoir.
At the core of Merleau-Ponty philosophy is the idea that the body is not merely an object in the world, but it is the primary site of our interaction with the world. This stands in the stark contrast to the traditional Cartesian view that separates mind and body. Merleau-Ponty emphasizes the embodied nature of human existing. The body is not just a physical entity, but it is inextricably linked to our perception, consciousness, and understanding of the world. It is through our bodies that we engage with the world and other people.
His major works include Phenomenology of Perception in 1945, where he argued that the perception is the primary source of knowledge and must be studied before conventional sciences. He emphasized that the importance of the body is shaping our experience of the world, a concept known as embodied recognition. Merleau-Ponty also engaged with the political and social issues, notably through his book Humanism and Terror in 1947, which explored Marxist theory and critical liberalism. His later works, The Visible and the Invisible, delve into what he called the flesh of the world, a concept that sought to describe the intertwined nature of the perceiving body and perceive the world.